sehingga cabang-cabangnya membesar.
Oh, Grimata will give that branches growing freedom.
Nah, sehingga cabang-cabangnya membesar dan menjadi jalan dengan pohonnya.
Grimata will give growing freedom of all the branches to make that trunk more bigger. Yeah, it's the trunk.
Di sini kamu lihat ini ada patahan garis.
Well, observer, you see this is any the brick line, yeah. Grimata say this is like a line, okay. So this area like a brick line or not wood line.
Saya akan menyempurnakan ke depannya seperti apa.
Grimata will process that position, yeah, that breakable line to make in the future to be good.
Bulan lagi mungkin sudah ready lagi untuk tahapan berikutnya.
3 months later, this bonsai Grimata thing will be ready to in the next step. Yeah.
kita perlu memancing kerusakan-kerusakan, nanti diteruskan oleh alam itu sendiri sehingga kelihatannya natural.
Well, bonsai lover, we need to bite of the natural broken to be good looking in the future. Yeah, not bite. Yeah, we need to bite the natural broken.
Alam juga perlu dipancing, teman.
Oh, you know, the nature needs biting too.
Karena kalau kita menunggu terus sangat lama.
Because if we only waiting, that is need a long time. Yeah.
Ini karang marmer, teman, sangat ketos.
You see, this is marmer
Stone.
very hard.
Yang dipakai lantai-lantai itu.
The building material, yeah, this, you know, the building material.
Ingin melihat dari kamera juga.
Yeah, kilometer one check. Kilometer is one check from camera two.
Ya. Isi. Stop. Ya, ini yang terindah, teman. Jadi saya bagaimanapun saya harus dibantu dengan kamera juga untuk menentukan di mana pandangan yang terindahnya. Jadi cabang ini harus saya tarik lagi sedikit untuk balancing.
Well, the bonsai lover, very much need helping from camera two to find the best view of this bonsai. Yeah. So because if from the camera is more sensitive to find the good view, and very much find little bit problem in this area, and like a few minutes very much make or repair better position like now, yeah, to find the balancing.
Ya, kembali ke kamera.
Jadi must back to the camera to check again.
Ya, sudah bagus, teman. Jadi kita ini pohon menunggu karakter tua karena perlu waktu. Jadi saya hanya membantu untuk mempercepat proses ketuaan-ketuaannya, dan alam lah yang akan menentukan di 100%.
Well, for for now, yeah, this is step is finished. Yeah, because this is the first step and the basic step. So the matter just can help or bite to make more fast looking old of this bonsai and put the foundation position of the branches. Yeah, so in this time we only need to whiting growing of this bonsai.
Saya cek lagi sekali.
Jadi mata check again.
Ya, Anda lihat gerak seperti ular yang besar.
You can see the flow like a big snake or dragon.
Anda melihat kerangka dalamnya.
Well, you can see the flow inside
Ya,
or a bone. Yeah, we call bone. Yeah, inside.
Komposisinya sudah bagus untuk saat ini.
For this time, the composition is already good
Ya,
inside.
karena di bonsai itu tidak bisa pastikan komposisi itu di saat materi itu masih dalam proses.
Oh, because you know the bonsai we cannot fixing the composition in the process time.
Ya, karena perkembangan dari tubuhnya dia sendiri akan juga menjadikan dia sendiri seperti apa harusnya.
Because the bonsai is live material, so the bonsai will be growing by help what he want or everything.
Kalau yang bagian luarnya saja itu bonsai cantik untuk taman.
Oh,
Kalau bonsai art, ini semua komposisi batang, di cabang, di anak cabang, sampai ke cucur rantingnya itu harus teratur dan rapi, tetapi harus bebas, tampil natural.
well, bonsai lover, I have asking very much about the bonsai branches composition. The good bonsai composition is this base of the branches or inside of the branches composition starting is already good, like here good position, here good position, here good position. So not just only looking from the outside good. The good bonsai is looking from inside until outside, still have a good position. If only good looking from the outside, that is called pretty bonsai. But if we see the good looking from inside heart, like this area is good position, this area good position, until outside still good position, good composition, that is really good bonsai or beauty bonsai. So pretty is for garden, beauty for art, like that.
Di sini akan sangat berbeda antara bonsai hiasan itu dipakai di kebun-kebun untuk menghias kebun, sama bonsai yang benar-benar bisa dinikmati sesuai dengan hati yang indah. Itu jadi kita kedalaman daripada dimensi-dimensi itu pun sangat dibutuhkan.
So that is have very much differently about the garden bonsai with the art bonsai, because art bonsai we can feeling and enjoying until inside, and art bonsai always have a deep, very deep dimension.
Ya.
Okay.
Kenapa saya memperlihatkan di sini cabang ini ke belakang dan dengan ranting-rantingnya yang terlihat nanti anggun. Ini artinya kita mengundang mata penikmat itu untuk menikmati kedalaman daripada dimensi yang ada.
Well, bonsai lover, you see in this area, yeah. Why Gudimata make the or put the branches position in this area? This function to make the dimension. So when audience see this bonsai, can invite audience eyes to going deep in that area and will be looking very beauty like that.
Jadi kita tidak pernah bosan menikmatinya kalau ada sisi-sisi yang dalam masih mampu kita lihat.
So we will be never boring see this artwork if every part have a deep dimension.
Oke teman, sudah lama bercerita, jadi jangan lupa subscribe dan tekan lonceng untuk tidak ketinggalan. Saya akan pamit hari ini, bye-bye.
Well, I want to know because we already have so many talking with you all, yeah. And for this time, we will finish this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification on your phone so you can always following the bonsai process.
Ini akan berlanjut terus ya.
Because this will be have a continuity of process.
Teman-teman juga akan penasaran seperti apa jadinya nanti.
Maybe in the method thing you will be very enthusiasm to writing what or how this bonsai will be to be in the future.
Kami pamit teman.
Well, thanks for watching and see you later.